Hi, thanks for joining in. My name is Arthur, and I'm happy to share the insights from the UX study we did. Before we go in, I would like to say a few words about UX Estonia. Our mission is to design user-friendly services that make users and businesses happy. We have been very fortunate to be able to work with awesome companies around the world. Startups, small and medium-sized businesses, also worldwide corporations and government organizations have been our clients. We design portals, apps, websites, self-services, e-shops, information systems, and other solutions. Now back to our UX study. We tested the online journeys of two insurance companies with real users. The findings we got are helpful even if you do not work in the insurance field, as many principles apply to websites and self-service portals in general. To be specific, we tested the journey of buying home insurance. For this user experience test, we recruited 5 people between the ages of 25 to 50 and who have a home, and also know how to use a computer. We conducted the test via Zoom. We had a one-on-one call with each participant. Every participant shared their screen with us so we could see how they interact with the website. And let's see what we found out. An essential part of every website is its look and feel. Looking at this website, users describe the page as official and serious. When they tried another website, they perceived it as friendly and attractive. Why so? This is mainly because of colors and their overall balance, and website's layout and structure. When looking at the first example, we see that the page uses dark blue and gray colors. These are usually perceived as official and serious, while lighter colors, like yellow, are perceived as attractive and friendly. Which colors should you use? It depends on the industry and the user type you are targeting. Some corporate clients might prefer the more serious look, while young private customers will like a more fun approach. The thing you have to do is to test and find out what works for your company. Call to actions have to be understandable and choices made simple for the user. In this example, users were a bit confused. They were not sure which button they should press. Should I go to the e-office or submit the form? It increased the decision time as well. While in the second example, the entry point was way more apparent. Offering -10% is also an excellent incentive to persuade users to continue on the site, as the first click on the site is also called a micro-commitment, as users who make the first click are more prone to convert into the buyers. Login can be an obstacle. In this example, users had to log in before they could see the insurance calculator. Most of the users said they would prefer to log in only after they have got some price estimations and understood the terms better. I don't want to log in if I'm not sure if the offer would suit me, said one of the users. On another site, users did not have to log in advance. They were able to interact with the form and calculate the price before making any commitments. This helped to build up trust with the site. Some users may need help. As home insurance is not a product that most of the users buy every day, there are situations where users need help. Many sites have tooltips, help sections, and chat for this. Some of the users needed help on this site, but in many cases the information presented in the tooltip was not helpful, as it contained unspecific information. On another site, users were able to get better help thanks to the information in the tooltips and help section located on the left. Navigation steps must be visible. The website showed steps to proceed in the bottom of the screen, but the users hardly noticed these. Also, the text on the gray background was a bit hard to read. The steps on this site were clearly shown in the top bar with contrasting, easily visible colors. The current stage was also highlighted, which improved the overall usability. Errors have an impact on the user experience. It is frustrating to get an error. It's even more troublesome if the user receives the error after submitting the form. Finding the right input field that needs correction takes precious time and energy from the user, and therefore has an impact on the conversion rate. It is better to inform the user right away what fields are mandatory. You can use an asterisk for this, as it is a well-known indicator for the required fields. So these were the most critical findings from our study. Thank you for watching. If you need help designing user-friendly services, don't hesitate to contact us. We also have a limited time offer for our UX services that you can find in the description of this video. Be sure to check it out.